Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix HDMI not shown in Windows 10 or Windows 11 when connect to TV, or not HDMI audio device detected. The first solution is go to the start menu when your HDMI device is connected and search for services and right click on select run as administrator. In this list, scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Scroll down and select Windows Audio, and you try two options. In this case, open it up and select manual or automatic, or stop the service and start the service. The service status is running. Very important. This service running, apply, OK, and restart the service on this text. To apply the change, restart your computer and verify your audio speaker. And the second option is go to the start menu and select device manager. In this list, search for your audio device. In this case, select audio input and output in this menu and select speakers, and right click and select the first option, update driver, and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click. If you receive a notification on one wizard or setup, select next install, and you receive this message: the best drivers for your device already installed, and close this window. To apply the change, I recommend restart your computer and go to the start menu and select restart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.